After using the Redmi Note 14 for a month, it proves to be a solid option in the budget smartphone category. The 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate provides sharp, vibrant visuals, making it great for watching content and smooth navigation. Battery life is another highlight, with a 5110 mAh battery easily lasting through an entire day of regular use, and the 45W fast charging feature is quite efficient for its price range. In terms of camera performance, the triple camera system performs well in good lighting, delivering clear and vivid photos, though it struggles a bit in low light conditions. On the performance side, the Redmi Note 14 is capable of handling everyday tasks without much hassle, but it can start to slow down during multitasking or when running resource-heavy apps. This can be frustrating for users who expect more speed and responsiveness from their device. The phone's design, though functional, feels a bit dated, with noticeable bezels and a teardrop notch at the top, which doesn't give it the sleek, modern look of more premium devices. Despite these shortcomings, the Redmi Note 14 offers great value, especially with its long-term software support, promising updates for several years. Overall, it is a solid choice for those who want a reliable device for everyday use but might not be the best fit for heavy multitaskers or mobile gamers.